Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to cancel your sales order in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then you can go to sales order page. So you can open your all apps here in the left side of your screen to open all of your available apps and go to inventory here and click on sales order. And as you can see, in this page, I only have one sales order. So let's say I want to cancel this sales order. You can go to far right to see the action option here and click the drop down and you will see cancel order here. You can click on it and then you can confirm it to cancel sales order 1001 and then you can just click cancel and then it will be canceled. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.